Craig Clark, who owns 3 pharmacies, has a long and extremely successful track record in this line of business, dating back to 1983. This is the first time he's visited his pharmacy in Winmalee in the foothills of the Blue Mountains for some time, but he comes bearing great news. As 2010's winner of the Pharmacy of the Year Award for the innovation of professional services in his Bunbury store in Western Australia, Craig plans to totally transform his New South Wales pharmacy and is announcing a major refit and shift of focus based on his current winning model.
But anyway, we'll go through them at the staff meeting tomorrow night. So sometimes you put these things in place and you're not sure if they are going to be successful, but seeing the model works very well. We've got no hesitation in bringing it in here, so it's just a matter of doing a duplication of what we've done over in Bunbury.
Craig decided to adopt the professional services model 5 years ago, prompted as many other pharmacy owners are by the arrival of pharmacies offering price cuts on many products.
We realised the market was changing and there was a lot more discounters coming into the market. Chemmart was a great platform to start with, so we did a refit in 2005. And from there we basically started to build our services, not just Chemmart services, but a lot more services in the business. We've always been passionate about pharmacy and we've always been passionate about services, and we knew it's a very profitable model, a lot more profitable than actually discounting your stock.
Craig says the introduction of professional services can't happen overnight, and it's best to introduce them gradually over time. In his South Sydney Bunbury pharmacy, he offers services ranging from quit smoking and palliative care to home medication reviews and travel health. Similar services will be introduced here.
The key is to actually explain why it's so good to try and have a large goal, a goal that you think is going to be way out of the field of the pharmacy.
Business plan meetings are an integral part of the pharmacy's success, and at least once a year, Craig will sit down with partners and a business advisor to discuss the direction for each pharmacy. But there are practical considerations to take into account before adopting the professional services model.
You must have passionate staff about the services. They must be well educated on the different services you provide. You also got to have the real estate as well, so you've got to have counselling rooms, you've got to have private areas you can actually do the counselling, and also how you market those services is critical to how successful they're going to be.
Craig's also a strong advocate of a high-profile marketing campaign and believes business owners should decide how much they can invest in radio, newspaper and television advertising. Weekly, monthly and yearly staff meetings are also essential in his view to ensure everyone's on target and working towards the same goal.
Do a vision, mission and values. I think most pharmacists won't find it hard at all to go down that track. They have to stay focused, so when a discounter comes into town, the easiest thing to do is discount, but you have to stay focused and build those services, build those health information nights. It's going to make it a lot different than just selling products. And we've been trained to do this, so there's no reason why we shouldn't do it.